Welcome to this video on the nature of mathematics, where we explore how math functions as a fundamental part of our modern world. We often mistakenly view mathematics as a static collection of objects to be memorized. In reality, it is a dynamic process, an active way of thinking. Mathematics evolved as a system to quantify our universe, originating from the human mind to understand physical form and precise measurement. By moving beyond simple thingification of numbers, we can see them as processes. This active thinking is truly the essence of mathematics. Mathematics is a formal system of thought and a product of human culture that enables the recognition of shapes, contours, and designs. Math serves as a universal language for complex logic. It transcends counting, using symbols, equations, and shapes to communicate universal truths. Think of mathematics as a multidimensional sixth sense. Just as our other senses perceive the physical world, math allows us to perceive intangible realities. This mathematical sense acts as a tool that drives four primary functions: problem-solving, explanation, decision-making, and a scientific foundation. As a tool, mathematics provides methods for solving existing problems and unveils the logical frameworks that explain why events occur. Furthermore, math guides our personal and professional decisions and serves as the scientific foundation for advancement across many human disciplines. These concepts flourish within a vast conceptual landscape, extending far beyond the limitations of simple arithmetic. The architecture of this mathematical world is built from abstract constructs like axioms, definitions, theorems, and proofs. Calculus acts as a dynamic force moving through this landscape, representing the rate of change. Beyond the known, uncharted territories exist, populated by mysterious concepts like prime numbers and complex numbers. Thank you for joining this exploration of the nature of mathematics in our modern world.